To do a share transfer, open the company for which you must do a transfer of shares, and go to the Share Transactions tab and Transfers sub-tab. Click on plus New Transfer button to open and create a new transfer form. Start the transfer process by inserting the date of the transfer, the type of transaction. You will select transfer, whether the company reckons property or not. Click on the search button to select the transfer. Class of shares and currency will get automatically updated, and then select the transferee. Insert the amount of the transaction if you have it and save. Upon the first save, the first table below transfer will be automatically updated. It will let you know how many share certificates, with how many shares, for the class of shares of the selected transferor. Then select the shares by ticking the shares by share certificates you want to transfer by clicking on the checkbox, and then on the button Move to Transferee button. The transferee table will get updated, but you will need to insert the number of shares to be transferred. To do this, get into the edit mode. Either double-click on the cell to update, or edit, and insert the number of shares to be transferred, then click on the little save button. Note that the number of shares transferred cannot exceed the original number of shares for any share certificate. In the case you entered the wrong quantity of shares, you may go back by clicking on the Edit All button and change the no of shares transferred. If you are satisfied with the data input, you may click on the Submit button. Then go back to the transfers table. The line is appearing in red. This is because the transfer has not been processed yet. Double-click on the icon on the left. It will open the form again, then click on Process. Your transfer has been processed. Do not forget to check your members table. So that's it for this tuto. Enjoy the rest of your day.